On this video, we shall be learning on how to create KRA PIN number. So the main purpose of us creating a KRA number is for you to be able to transact business with KRA, government agencies, or other services provider. So before we go into that, we need to access into iTax platform. So I'll go straight away to Google and I type in iTax. Then I hit on enter. It will lead me directly into this website. So within here, I'm just going to click on new PIN number registration. Click here. Then it will lead me into another place whereby it says taxpayer type. So with this place, I'm going to select individual. Then mode of registration, with here click on down here, then I choose online form. If you want to register for a PIN number with no application, just leave it the way it is, and then you hit on next. So we're going to start by providing basic information. With here, we're going to fill the residential details. Do you want to register for significant economic presence tax? So with this question here, just leave it the way it is. You see no has been selected. You come to the next question. Citizenship, you choose Kenyan here. Then next, do you want to register for TOT? Just leave it the way it is. Then next, you come to professionals, employees, profession. So with here, I'm going to choose here major groups. So this one here is a student I'm registering for, so I'm going to choose on students. Next, I'll look for subgroups here, but I'll see it, this one and this one here, they're not yet activated unless I provide other details such as ID number. So with here, I'll go straight away to ID details and I feed in national ID number. Put here 88, then 30, 9, then 88, 30, 91, then you have 909. Then next, I'll go straight away to this place and I feed in when this person was born. So with this one in place here, I'm going to click backwards the year that this person was born, that is this year, then the month of June, then death it was 17th, that one, and it will populate the rest of the field. Next, I'm going to scroll downwards and provide other details such as this one's here. So I'm going to choose here Street Talk Road. So where we are currently, we are at Minibabu building. I'm going to highlight closest building to me, that is this building. Then city or town, we are in Mombasa currently. Next, district, it will populate later. Next, I'm going to choose your county. You are currently in Mombasa County, so I'm going to feed in Mombasa County. Locality here, it will populate later, but not yet now. Also, this is going to populate later. Okay, it has populated. We are in Likoni district, that way. Next, I'll just go straight away and I look at this. If it has populated, Shell Beach, then postal code here, I'm going to choose in the code of my place, that is Mombasa, that is 8100. My postal address, this one here. Next, I'll head over to add phone number, primary phone number of this person. Then lastly, I'm going to provide an email address. It is telling me it is going to send an OTP. Then I'm going to receive some code that I'm going to put in place here. I'm going to check on this box. I understand. And scroll downwards. Do you have an alternative address? I select no. Do you wish to declare a bank account for refund? No. Then are you a partner or director of any entity? Then you are going to choose no. And would you like to declare a relationship with any other taxpayer? No. Then uploading supporting document. Here I'm going to choose an ID to upload an ID as a supporting document. So this one here, let me have this recent document. Yeah, and then I upload it into the system. I'll click on this next button. Then here I'm going to check income tax details. So I'm going to fill it as if from today's date, that is 22nd of July 2025. Then I'm going to click on next button, whereby it's going to direct me to this page, source of income details. I'm going to select no here for employment income, then business income no, then rental income no for this person. Then click on next button. Lastly, I'm going to click on next. Do the sum of 75 plus 12, that is 87. Then I'm going to click on submit. Next button, then submit. Lastly, the OK button. Lastly, you see it will print out the KRA PIN number certificate.